Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we learned about the area of a 2D object. Okay, that all are 2D object, rectangle, square, trapezium, all are what? 2D object. Today we will learn extra example in which we need to find the some shaded portion. Now today we will learn about the solid object. Now what is a solid object? Solid object, it means it is a 3D object. Why it is 3D object? Because it's measured in a 3 dimension, length, breadth and height. So solid object means it is a 3 dimension object that have length, breadth and height. So which 3D object we already learned? That is a cube. Cube means it is an object in which all length, breadth and height is same. That is a cube. So this one can be considered as a height. This one is length and this one will be cuboid, in which it surface area. Now we already learned about the surface area. So what is surface area? It is a flat surface. If we take any box and whatever the flat surface is there, that become a surface area. So here this side will be rectangle. What is the shape of its surface area? It is a rectangle. So here this will be length, this will be breadth and this will be height. So that is cuboid. Then we learn about the cylinder. So cylinder means top and bottom surface area is circular and this is a rectangle. If we take any paper, and fold it in a circular way, then top will be circle, bottom will be circle, and if you open that pages, then it will be a rectangle or square. So it is a cylinder. Then cone. Again, this surface is of kind of triangle and this is a circle. Okay. Then we also learn about the pyramid and prism in third chapter. So these are the 3D object. Now in the 3D object, first of all, here we learn about the cube, cuboid and cylinder. So in 3D object, as we learn about the area in a 2D object, area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of triangle, area of rhombus. Same here we will find the surface area. Surface area means this flat surface, this flat surface, this flat surface. Okay, so let's find the surface area of cube. Now, if we draw a cube, then how many faces we have in the cube? Surface area means we need to find the area of the flat surfaces. So how many flat surfaces we have in a cube? If we take any box that is kind of cube, then it has a top surface and bottom. So this is our first and second surface. Now front side and back side, that is also flat surface. So let's consider this as a 3 and back is 4. Side faces, also left and right, so it is 5 and 6. So how many surface area we have? So total surface is 6. Now we need to find the area of each surface. So what will be the area of this top side? We know that in a cube all sides are same. So if this one is length, it is also length, and this is also, all sides are of L sides. So area of this square. Why this square? Because cube is made up of square. If you take some square paper and place it on one another, then you get a kind of cube. And the length and breadth will be same. That's why area of top surface is L multiply L, that is L square. Same for Bottom is also L square. This one is also L square. Front side is also L square. Back side is also L square. So how many times we need to multiply L square? 6 times, because each face is kind of a square and area of a square is L square. So surface area of a cube is 6L square. So we can write surface area of cube is 6 multiply L. So this is the equation for a surface area of a cube. Now surface area of a cuboid. So let's draw a figure. Now in the cube, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay. So if this side is L, this is also L. So we can consider this is L. This is also L, and this is also L. This side is B, so B, and this vertical line will be H. Now we need to find area of each flat surface. So what is the area of this upper rectangle? That is length multiplied breadth. So LB. So we can find area of top surface. LB. Same, because this is L and this is B. Same for this is L and B. So bottom surface is also L. Now area of the side faces, that is B multiply H, because this is a rectangle with side B and H. So area of side face, you can consider left side, that is HB. Same for right side, it is also HB. That is HB. Now area of the front side, that is H and L. This side vertical line is H and horizontal is L. That's why area of front side, or you may say area of front face, that is LH. Same area of back side, that is LH. Now to find the total surface area, we need to add all these faces. So total surface area of cuboid, that is LB plus LB plus HB plus HB plus LH plus LH. So 2 times LB, 2 times HB plus 2 times LH. Take 2 common, so it is LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the equation for a total surface area of a cuboid. What you need to remember? Total surface area for a cube, that is 6L square, and total surface area for a cuboid is 2LB plus BH plus HL. So as we learn the surface area for a cuboid, so if we consider this as a cuboid, so this is the flat surface, this is also one flat surface, this is also one flat surface, downside is also one flat surface, this side is also flat surface, and this is also flat surface. You can see this is a rectangle, this side is also a rectangle, this side is also a rectangle, this is also, we find the area of all flat surfaces, and after that we add. Now it is possible that sometimes we need to find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means only side faces, not top and bottom. So lateral surface area for cube. What is the total surface area for a cube? It is 6L square. If we remove the top side and bottom side, so lateral surface area will be 4L square. What is lateral surface area? We need to only consider front side, back side, and 2 side faces. Okay, so this side, and front and back side. Okay, so it is 4 as well because we are removing the top and bottom. Same for lateral surface area of cuboid. So let's find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So if you consider this as a cube, we need to add only 4 faces. So this is L, B and H. So we are only considering front faces. So what is this measurement of front faces? That is L and H. And back side is also L and H. So lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to LH plus LH. Front faces and back faces. Side faces is B and H. So that is BH plus BH. This side and this side. So we have 2LH plus 2BH. So that is 2LH plus B. Take H common, so it is L. You can consider this equation or you can consider this. Both will give the correct answer. Okay. 2H inside the bracket L plus B, or you can consider 2LH plus 2BH, or you can derive the equation from the figure also in example. Then it will also give the correct answer. Clear? So this is what the lateral surface area. Now surface area for a cylinder. Because here we are only considering the 3D objects that are cube, cuboid and cylinders. What is the surface area for a cylinder? If we take one paper and fold it, then it gives the shape of cylinder. So here what is the surface area? It is top side, that is of circular, bottom side it is also circular, and this area. How can we find this area? For that we need to find the surface area of front, that is circle, and we know that what is the surface area of a circle, that is pi r square. Same, bottom is also pi r square because it is also of a circle. So we have pi r square at the top and pi r square at the bottom. But what is this measurement? What is the surface area of the circular region? So for that we need to cut this cylinder vertically, and if we refold it, then it become a rectangle, and we know that what is the equation for a rectangle. So using this equation for a rectangle, we can find the surface area for a cylinder because it is same. If you find the surface area of circular region, or if you unfold it and find the area of rectangle, that area will remain same. That's why in a cylinder we will find the different region area. So here let's draw a cylinder. Now we have 3 flat surface, that is circle. So equation is pi r square with radius r. Bottom is also pi r square. Now this is a rectangle and unfold it. Now to find the area of rectangle, what we need? We need a length and breadth. Now what is this side? Again, if we take a paper and fold it. So this side is what? This is what? Outer boundary of circle. This is outer boundary of circle. That is what? Circumference of circle. So that will give the perimeter. And if we open it, it is again the circumference of circle. So this side will be 2 pi. Circumference of circle. And height. B will be the height of cylinder. So what will be the area? Length multiplied breadth, that is 2 pi r multiplied h is 2 pi r h. Again, if we fold this paper and make a cylinder, then this will be a circular path, and we know that what is the length of circular path, that is circumference of circle. So it is 2 pi r. So if we unfold it, it remains 2 pi r. That's why length of this rectangle is 2 pi r. Height is h. Clear? So here area of top surface, that is pi r square. Area of bottom surface, that is also pi r square. And area of curved surface, area of surface, that is rectangle. L multiply b, here length is 2 pi r because it is a circumference of circle, and h is b is height, so it is 2 pi r h. So total surface area of cylinder is equal to pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. You can use this equation or you can take out something common, so it is 2 common. Pi is also common. Now here 2 times r, here 1 times r. So 1 time r take out common, so here it is r plus h. So this is the equation for a total surface area for a cylinder. Now what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface means we are removing the top surface and bottom surface. So lateral surface area will be only 2 pi r h. So you need to remember the 6th equation for this, that is total surface area of a cube is 6l square and lateral surface area of a cube is 4l square. Same, total surface area for a cuboid is 2 inside the bracket lb plus bh plus hl. And lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is 2h inside the bracket l plus b. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r inside the bracket r plus h, and lateral surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So these are the equations that we learned up to now. So first, area of a square, side multiply side, area of rectangle, length multiply breadth. Here I didn't write the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square because we already know that. Area of a triangle, 1 by 2, height multiply base. Area of parallelogram, height multiply base. Area of a circle, pi r square, and circumference of circle is 2 pi. Then area of a rhombus, that is 1 by 2, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. You can consider height multiply base as the area of a rhombus is height and base is given. Height is what? Altitude. You can consider it as altitude. Area of a trapezium, 1 by 2, height a plus b. Area of a general quadrilateral, that is 1 by 2, diagonal height 1 plus height 2. And we know that how we will use these equations. Okay? And these are the equations that we learned for the 3D objects. So surface area of a cube, that is total surface area is 6l square. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4l square. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 inside the bracket lb plus bh plus hl. And lateral surface area for a cuboid is 2hl plus bh. Total surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r plus h, and lateral surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So you need to remember this and you can make a list for these equations.